Alright, so I had to work on the old greasy 6-liter Power Stroke. And I've done a bunch of filming. But this video is not that. I'm going to drop that video later. This is a very special video. This one I'm going to drop the moment I'm done with it today. So let's get started. First thing we're going to need is some tooling. So right off the back, Leatherman, duct tape. What more do you need? Then we're going to need a little greasy rusty piece of wire, a small piece of log chain, an old fucking cinder block, a Massey Ferguson 231, an old scraper blade attached to said 231 Massey Ferguson. Send it. And the very last thing we're going to need is a can of beer. Let's fucking get started. This may be a little tricky. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's get the rest of this shit put together. Now don't be getting fucking skimpy with the duct tape. You make sure you wrap that bitch good. Alright, me again, Dave again. If you're watching, this one's for you. We're going to open up that fucking beer with a 231 Massey Ferguson. Alright, proof's in the pudding. Well, we sort of opened it. Try that again. Attempt number 2. Oh yeah, there you go. Me again, Dave again. Cheers, I hope you enjoyed this. That's a lot of damn work just to open up one fucking beer. Totally worth it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your weekend.